Welcome back to Motor Masters, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Tesla Model Y, one of the most anticipated electric SUVs of the year. Tesla continues to push the boundaries of innovation, and the new Model Y comes with exciting upgrades in performance, technology, and design. The 2025 Model Y retains its sleek, aerodynamic shape but now features subtle refinements, including an updated front fascia with a more aggressive look and improved LED lighting for better visibility. The aerodynamic enhancements contribute to improved efficiency, helping extend the vehicle's range. Tesla has also introduced new color options, giving buyers more personalization choices. Inside, the Model Y receives an upgraded interior with higher quality materials, a revised dashboard, and an enhanced infotainment system. The 15-inch touchscreen remains the central hub, but it now runs on Tesla's latest software, providing a smoother and more responsive experience. The minimalist approach continues with the yoke steering wheel option, though a traditional round wheel is still available. The cabin offers improved sound insulation, making rides quieter and more comfortable. Tesla's advanced voice commands and AI-driven predictive functions further enhance convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 Model Y boasts upgraded battery technology, increasing its range and efficiency. The long-range variant now offers up to 350 miles on a single charge, while the performance model delivers around 320 miles. Tesla has optimized the heat pump system for better cold weather efficiency, ensuring consistent performance in all climates. Acceleration remains impressive, with the performance model achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, while the long-range version does it in about 4.8 seconds. Tesla's latest version of Autopilot and full self-driving FSD continues to evolve, offering enhanced lane keeping, automatic lane changes, and improved driver assistance features. The new hardware update includes a better suite of cameras and sensors, improving overall safety and automation capabilities. Tesla's FSD beta program is advancing, bringing the Model Y closer to fully autonomous driving. Safety remains a top priority, with the 2025 Model Y featuring an improved structural design for better crash protection. The latest iteration of Tesla's Active Safety Suite includes adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and an improved collision avoidance system. Tesla has also refined its regenerative braking system, providing a smoother driving experience while maximizing energy efficiency. Charging is more convenient than ever, thanks to Tesla's expanding Supercharger network. The Model Y now supports faster charging speeds, allowing an 80% charge in just under 25 minutes at a V4 Supercharger station. Home charging solutions have also improved, with Tesla's latest wall connector offering better integration with solar energy solutions. Pricing for the 2025 Tesla Model Y remains competitive in the EV market, with the base model starting around $48,000, the long-range variant at approximately $54,000, and the performance model at around $60,000. With federal and state EV incentives, buyers can reduce their overall cost, making the Model Y an attractive option for those looking to go electric. The 2025 Tesla Model Y continues to solidify its position as a top contender in the EV market, offering an exceptional blend of performance, technology, and sustainability. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.